words.
The BMW M3 E92 V8 4 litre. Go on. Welcome back to a new video. So I know it's not taxed and MOT'd, I get that, and that's why at the minute it's just gonna have to be a field car. Is it somebody's special day?
Why is the door shut? Morning.
Yeah, morning. Going to the lounge.
There ain't nothing creepy behind that door, is there though?
Go on, in you go. Don't be scared.
Happy birthday! Oh, thank you.
Sing happy birthday!
I'm 26. I've got grey hairs and that. I do get it. I've got the grey hairs.
Happy
Oh, you got
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Away!
And we got your birthday present.
Is it an M3 Touring?
Not yet. Whoa! Crash! You okay, pal? It might be an M3 Touring.
Just a scaled version.
Why do I feel like something's going to jump out at me? I don't know why.
Explode in your face. Why didn't I think of that?
Oh, as if.
Your reaction, you're supposed to be crying. It makes better telly. Start crying.
Thank you all so much. Thank you all.
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th. While we're at it,
Okay.
we've hit the big milestone.
Oh,
50k.
you cheap guy. I now get what you've done.
This channel's all about recycling.
Recycling, upcycling.
Upcycling. Check out the minis. There you go. Thank you so much, everybody. We've hit 50k. It's a massive milestone. We're halfway to getting a plaque. That would be nice. And a 20th of the way to Jordan getting an M3 Touring.
I'm just lost for words.
And while we're at it, if we do get to 1 million, what we're going to be doing is asking everybody to unsubscribe so that Jordan can get his M3 Touring. Bit of reverse psychology, but if we can get to about 999,000, then start getting them down, because otherwise it's going to cost me a lot of money.
Do you ever want that plaque, that million plaque? Do you never want it?
Not at 130 grand or whatever it is now.
Right, come on, somebody wants cake.
John, cake. Let's go get some cake.
You got me a cake as well, yeah. Oh, you really are family, aren't you?
I'll go back inside. We got a surprise. It's all good. Don't you worry about everything. Go on, you can blow them out. See you later.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
That went bang. That went bang. Where's the cardboard box gone?
So we were just filming an Insta story for Mark, and I'll play the clip now. Yep, that is carbon that's been pulled off. So now I've pulled out of the camera because I feel like things might get worse.
It's a long way, in my defence, it's a long way from that corner to that corner. I've got no hydro, just a right foot. I'm just trying to make up excuses. Fuck me, George. So, we've lost a few splitters up here. Now this one is carbon, and I'd imagine it's only original part. I hate waste, I hate waste. I suppose any production company must be spending some money, George.
Things can get expensive.
It's all for you lot, that's what you got to think. Okay, so I want to complain about BMW's build quality. The Germans are supposed to got this right, but look, this thing's made of paper and it's just stuck on with a bit of double-sided sticky tape. This is not my fault, it's BMW's. Comment below, In fact, go onto BMW's website, send them an email. Mate, your M3's better. You've got to be kidding me. 20 minutes too late.
For your present.
I just smashed this off.
Real carbon, that is.
It's really cheap, flipping lightweight.
It was. It's even lighter now, look, there's bits missing.
Actually, that would probably do more aero. That could be an advantage. Should we do the other one?
Genuine carbon fibre, that is. That field's claiming so many casualties.
George, I don't know if you've noticed, there's some camber on there. I've never seen a car with 45-degree wheels on. Are you sure that's right?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
This is what I'm going to do to all my cars, to be fair, because I'm always losing keys. So Nick's come up with the ingenious idea, so we'll keep this going, probably get all the other cars converted, and then it'll save any problems of key loss. Keyless entry. One-man job again. No help from you lot at all.
That was the worst whistling diesel attempt I've ever seen.
Safety first.
Safety first, you've got no seatbelts.
This is what we have of the seatbelts.
6 months of preparation, we finally got effing in, we got no seatbelts, but we have a hydro. With that lock kit, the difference is unbelievable. That thing, I haven't got to grips with that thing yet, but oh, pulls the brake pedal.
Yeah, it's all on the same circuit.
Mark, what are you doing?
CarVertical.
But we don't do ads.
We do today. There's a reason. Today, all of us are going to help somebody out who's very, very special. CarVertical is a website for you to check the history of the car that you are considering on purchasing. You can check the mileage for discrepancies and make sure it's a slope and not looking like a roller coaster, and also if the car has been damaged. Sometimes it shows the damage of the car when the accident happened. This is a paid service, but you can use my link in the description below to get a discount. As we scroll down here, you will see that we've got the mileage check, loads of other information, and sometimes you even get photos of the crash damage. Oh, and it's also available in loads of different countries. Now, to be serious, this is a great service. It's a brilliant product, and we all love our cars, and one thing we don't want to be doing is wasting precious money on buying some sort of dinger. You can even use the information you find to even haggle for a better deal. Now we can see a good check, which is our Citroen Berlingo. All the mileage is right, no theft, no accidents, and no outstanding finance. And if we go down to the mileage, you can see a nice steady increase, so it shows that it's had no mileage discrepancies. We've bought a good van. So you're probably thinking, Mark, why are you doing an ad? It's quite simple. I'm in a really, really fortunate position that I don't need this revenue. I don't need this ad money, but some people do. We should have bought a bigger van. So the money we've got from this ad, which is all down to you people, each and every single one of you, we are spending on this. And this is going to benefit so many people's lives. And it's all down to you. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who watches, likes and comments, because this gives us an opportunity to give back to the
Isaac's been so excited about your visit today. He really has.
Brilliant, I appreciate that.
So it started in November, and Isaac wanted to do something to help people in the pandemic. He couldn't donate to the food bank as he normally does, so he decided just to give people free food at our house. And then more people came and more people donated, and it's sort of turned into what you see today, and we've just finished putting an absolute carload away, haven't we?
And people come and help themselves.
They do. We've been really busy already today. We've had, I think, since we've been home, probably 4 or 5 families.
And you've sold your own toys as well.
He has sold a lot of his own toys as well, yeah.
You're a legend, thank you so much.
He was so excited that you were
thank you
coming.
so
He
much.
wanted to get
And
you something.
chocolate is my thing, I'll be honest with you. So we've got a present for you, because we've heard so many good things about what you've done and all the time you've given, and we want to help out, and our viewers and our channel want to help out. So we've got you a van, so you can go do your pickups, do deliveries. So that is for you.
He's brought you a fan, Isaac.
You're doing an amazing job, and we just want to, all our viewers want to help you.
Sorry, I'm being shocked.
No.
What are you going to say, Isaac?
Thank you.
What do you think? Do you want to go and have a look?
Can I
No,
drive
we
it?
can't drive it yet.
There's a
could drive
handbrake.
it.
Try
Yeah,
using
don't
that.
touch that one.
I'll sit in the back.
I cannot thank you enough. I cannot tell you how life-changing this is. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much.
It's honestly, it's not us. Just thank everybody. It's not us. It's
Thank you to everybody that's been part of this, because this is just
honestly.
incredible, and it will make such a difference.
Got hay fever again, Joe.
I'm
super emotional. It's brilliant, isn't it? Give it the thumbs up.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow.
I really am just lost for words. It is absolutely amazing. Thank you.
The perfect saying. So thank you for watching that video, but what I really want to say is thanks ever so much yet again for the 50k thing. It's amazing to feel that we've reached that goal already, and maybe we'll get to that 100 one day soon. And again, thank you for giving us the opportunity we have for the adverts, because then we can pass that on to somebody else, which is a big thing, because between us we're all changing people's lives. See you next Tuesday, 7 PM.